In this video, we'll show you how to request historical insights for up to 3 years, enable year-over-year insights, set up monthly reports on annual changes. Let's get started. By default, Narrative BI generates historical insights for up to 12 months of your data. If you're on the growth plan, you can go even further, requesting insights for data as far back as 3 years. Here's how. Open the feed. Click Select Time Range in the search bar. Use the date picker to select the period you're interested in. Finally, click Generate to request your insights. To track changes over long periods of time, enable year-over-year insights. This feature provides narratives and alerts on annual trends. Simply go to your time period settings and turn on the YOY option. You can now filter your feed by clicking on the relevant hashtag. For regular updates on annual changes, you can enable monthly YOY reports. Go to your workspace settings, find the corresponding option, and turn it on. It's that simple. Now you can find your monthly year-over-year reports in the Report tab. And that's it. With these features, you're ready to dive deeper into your data. Try it out and see how Narrative BI can simplify your analytics journey.